How to take picture by using voice command, smile, cheese, shoot, capture on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down, and click on shooting method. After click on shooting method, you will see voice command is here. So make sure turn on voice command. After turn on voice command, you will see take picture by saying smile, cheese, capture or shoot, or record video by saying record video. After turn on voice command button, go back and hold phone and say shoot. You will see picture is captured. Say smile, capture, cheese, voice recording, voice recording. You will see. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can take picture by using voice command, smile, choose, cheese, shoot, capture on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.